Good morning, good morning. There's more snow down today.
It's getting closer to the
Good
house.
morning to you. Our fence is almost non-visible.
Somebody can get out.
It stopped for like a few hours. It was looking promising, but it has started back up, but you can't even see. It was freezing rain, started back up. And now we're getting another 20 centimeters. Like, look, there's no space now in front of my car anymore, guys. No space. This is all in front of our house. The deck is almost gone. See?
The wind changed direction a little bit.
Yeah, the wind has changed direction and it's making it almost worse, eh?
Yeah, it's closer.
It's getting really, like, this is all we see. So there's that. I'll show you a little bit out here. It's hard to see. Oh wait, I guess I could open this. I'm like trying to show you through the, we still have that little patch that's empty, but the deck. Like, look at the neighbor over there. You can see more here because I'm higher up. Because our living room's sunken in. Yeah, you can see more up here. We have a sunken in living room, so you can't see as much out.
I'm gonna jump off the roof.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Okay, so.
Oh, we're good, Dad.
What?
You can see the back of your car, no problem.
Okay, good. So this door doesn't open at all. It's actually ice. Complete ice. So this, and that's, we don't use that door, but it is good to have for emergencies. I'll show you this way. Oh, my starter. I have the oven preheating because I'm doing more sourdough, but show you the front of my car today, guys. This is day 3. Can you see it? Because I can't. My car is under this. It is under this. Oh, well, we can get it open that far. There's a good view. Hopefully, we can get it open this far. So if we had to get out, we could get out that way and jump over this. Oh man. I'm trying this morning's sourdough pancakes for the very first time, and I'm very excited about it. I'm not a big pancake eater, but everyone says the sourdough pancakes are so good. So it's just your starter. I basically used almost all of it, so I'll have to feed that and let it build back up. You use an egg, your starter, honey, baking soda, and just mix it all around. Let it cook. I'll let you know how it is. Ta-da! I'll let you know how they are, but they're super fluffy and thick. I don't know if you can tell. Ooh, they look good. I'll try them for the first time with you guys. Look how thick and fluffy it is. Whoa. No, these are too good. Alex, you want to try it? Some pancakes?
Good.
Want some pancakes?
I'm good.
My world is forever changed. Oh my gosh. They taste like super luxurious, like fancy pancakes. I was not expecting that. So I don't know if you can see, there's a guy on his own personal plow thing that's plowing out our road. Look at it. You can't even, like, look how deep the road is. He's doing our road. God love him. He lives in our neighborhood. and he goes on this little plow. He does, like, people hire him and stuff, but he's doing the road. He's not supposed to be doing the road. Like, this is like, you know, obviously the province does this, but he's doing it. So there's either someone who really has to get out for an emergency, or he is just like, we need to get out of here. Like, I gotta help. So he's helping. Hopefully he's just helping and there's no emergency, but he is completely plowing our road right now with his little, I mean, I shouldn't say it's little. I mean, it's, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Hi guys, this is day 3 of our snowstorm, so I'll just give you a little update on how I'm doing here. I'm doing good, a little bit lonely, going stir crazy, but this is my back door now. Now yesterday I could see out and see the patio, but as you can tell, you can see a little bit of the, it's still storming. Hey guys, now I'm at my front door now. Let's see what's going on out here today. Wow. Not as bad because we've been shoveling out here. Still the driveway is pretty terrible. Big snow. Wow. Hi guys, I'm outside now. I'm shoveling. Say hi to Hank. He's pretty much covered with snow. But I want to show you my driveway. The driveway is good right here. But look at the big drift right across there to the road. And we have something stuck here. But here's my driveway. It's all good right here. Here's my driveway. That's good. Take it. Big snow.
There he goes. We're gonna start the shoveling. Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's good for film.
Shoveling process. So this is the pile in front of the house. Trevor's car. Oh my gosh, your car's literally not. Oh, my car's not as buried as I thought. It's just the front. This is this angle of the house. Shoveling my car out. You can kind of see my light. Wow. Car's coming out. He's falling in snow. Good job. Ellie, you finally have something to see now, girl. my gosh. What's he doing? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll give you an update. It's been a bit. So Trevor was able to get my car out, and this is our driveway. This is his car. We can't get out of it. Our neighbor got a plow. You can see they're good. But our plow has not showed up yet at all. So we're just working on this. And by we, I mean Trevor. And then look at this. How high the snow is on the side of the house. About as tall as the house. So, a lot of progress made, but still a lot to do. The good news is both cars are running and moving, so once the plow comes, we'll be able to get out. Oh, what an adventure. What an adventure. Look at my happy place. What?
I usually get them
Yeah? For what?
driving purposes.
You want me to drive someplace? Got some plows on the road, which is good, but our driveway is still not done, but we got the car out like you guys seen.
Yes, the salt one too.
So we got. Look how high up the snow is on the road, guys. Wow. Alex is up on the hill. You guys, what a time. Go the other way. The plow came, but he completely, like the way he backed it up or did the driveway, and it's just, we were stuck. We spent about 2 hours out here trying to get ourselves unstuck, and we did it. Look, the vlog always wants to see something. There you go.
Ready?
Yep. I feel like I didn't even sit and talk with you guys today. It's been awful. I mean, it's been good. We've been cozy inside and it feels very COVID vibes, stuck in your house, looking out your window, noticing someone walking and being like, there's someone outside. But it's been awful. We were completely stuck in the house. And I'm not joking you, completely stuck in the house. And I don't even think I'm capturing the depths of how much snow that we have. It is not safe. It's awful. So the snow has seemed to stop. We were able to get out of our driveway. Trevor currently has my car at the gas station and getting gas, and he's going to venture over to Mom's and see if he can get her out. So he brought a shovel because the plow has not been there yet at all. So hopefully he doesn't get stuck. But me and Alex and Trevor were working on getting the car out of the driveway for a couple hours, trying to get because it was so stuck in that driveway. Remember when I said I love winter? I do still love winter. I don't, it's a story, and this vlog is strictly for me to look back on. Someone might find it interesting, but I'm just putting this together for myself to look back on, because we had a very similar winter to this in 2015, and I still like to look back on those vlogs and be like, oh my gosh, look at the snow. The snow is as high as our house right now. As high as the house. It's the same level. That is wild. So anyways, I don't think there'll be school tomorrow, but I don't know. There was no school today, obviously, but I really don't know. I feel like there's just so much cleanup to get done that it just wouldn't even be safe to have kids go to school, but I don't really know what they're gonna do. But we can get out. We're working on getting Mom out. Trevor's there to pick her up now and take her here, hopefully. And yeah, all is well. But today's grocery day, and I'm like, I cannot believe I did not get groceries. I just did not even know this was coming. So we still have lots of stuff, but I was like, if they have eggs at the gas station, can you pick up eggs? Because there's, if you have eggs, like the things are endless that you could do, right? Like stuff you can make, and it seems like everything you have to throw an egg in, but we have lots of stuff. Like actually, I probably will make homemade hamburger helper for supper tonight. But we're all off our schedules. Like we're eating at all weird times. We're eating everything that we can find. Like we're just like, I don't know if it's because like you're just trapped inside, you just feel like eating. So we've been playing a lot of video games. We've been eating a lot of randomness and eating late. And I got all of the bedding washed, which is nice, a nice bonus to get done. I got everyone's bedding washed. I dehydrated a lot of sourdough starter. And I've baked a lot with it. Like my starter has been just working his little heart out. Like he is just the star of the show this weekend. Like he overflowed like crazy today. He's bubbling he's just full of life. And so like, I just love it. Look at Alex. I was telling them how you helped us get out of the driveway.
This is the vlogmas video. Want me to show you first?
Okay. Oh, Alex, no, don't show them that.
Please. Show them.
No, I promise you, none of them want to see it.
It's funny though. Ready?
You're warned, guys. Warning. Oh! This is my life with a teenage boy. He's always showing me gross videos. Oh, we're moving. Gross videos like that all the time. I'm like, oh, cute baby. Barfs all over you. Anyways, you guys, I hope everyone's safe and well. I've seen the most horrific photos on Facebook of people whose like roofs have collapsed in and windows who've collapsed in, and I just hope everyone is well and safe. Like it is wild.
This one's good. It's about the snow. Yes.
He completely disappeared.
Oh my god, was I here?
He disappeared.
He completely disappeared.
He's gone. That's what I mean. Oh my gosh. So yeah. That was the day. A lot of hanging out home here and stuff. But was I talking about my sourdough starter? Yeah, I got a lot dehydrated and I used a crap, like I did not throw away an ounce of it. I'm really trying not to throw out some. Like when you discard it, I'm trying to actually like use it. Like those pancakes, I could do that every day. Like they are so good. It's literally sourdough starter, an egg, and honey and baking soda. What? That is so good. So anyway, Trevor's been gone a long time. I'm like, hold please. I'm gonna check in and see if he got to mom's. Unfortunately, we could not retrieve mom. I'll put a picture here. So what you see here is her car. That's our car, and that's her driveway. So she was taking the picture, and it's like waist high, 20 feet deep. So she can't walk through that. Trevor brought a shovel, but it's just too much for him to shovel. We just spent 3 hours shoveling our own driveway, and to like shovel a pathway for her to get through, it's impossible. The snow is way too heavy now. It is starting to freeze, so the snow weighs a ton. So we could not get mom, but she got to see Trevor and wave and be like, oh, she's totally fine. She's just bored, and I really wish if I had known it was going to be like this, I would have had her over here Friday and just let her stay with us the whole time, because I just hate the thoughts of her being there by herself. She's fine. She's well. She has her Animal Crossing. She has her shows. She has everyone on the phone, but it's like, you know, she's the biggest extrovert you'll ever meet. So for her, this is like, you know, to me, I'd be like, oh, like, but her, she's just very extroverted. So anyways, I have another batch of sourdough that is dehydrating. The batch from last night's almost done. And I have homemade hamburger helper in the oven. So for not being prepared, I am very impressed with how stocked I have kept the house and how many meals we could probably, and like, this won't happen. Like, we are literally not stuck anymore. We can get out now, but we would probably be good for another full week with what we have in the house. Like, I had leftovers frozen I forgot about. We've been eating those, and especially with sourdough, like you can really do a lot with that. Like I made pancakes that were the best pancakes I ever ate in my entire life. Like with sourdough starter, you can make bread, you can make anything with it. So like we would have been fine with that. As long as you have flour, you're good. And I always have a ton of flour. And we just had like vegetables, like frozen vegetables, like that really comes in handy. Like I just have been really impressed with how I managed, because I'm not kidding you, like if I knew this was coming, I would have bought so much stuff, and we don't need it. Like we're going through the stuff. It's gonna be nice to like stock things back up. It's gonna be expensive, but it will be nice because I'm really going through the stuff. So anyways, kind of interesting whenever you're kind of like forced to use what you have, you really realize like, oh, we're good. Like I don't need to run out to the grocery store and get stuff, although I know I will, but we're good, you know? So anyways, Mom's still home. We did not get to retrieve her. Alex is doing our candles, and we got our homemade hamburger helper. I just washed the tablecloth, so I'm like, no one eat on it.
Because there's too many snow. It's just up over your head.
Oh, I think Mom was filming you.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, love.
Oh.
I feel like I'm in jail.
Oh, did the plow get there yet?
No,
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Oh my God.
I'm not gonna be able to. I'm cluttered out of.
You might not make it to Tuesday dinner.
Oh no. Everyone have to come and just put a sleigh and sleigh it over to me.
Yeah, we'll bring you one of the kids' sled and put you on it and drag you.
Yeah, I want chips.
Oh, you want chips?
Yeah.
You don't have any?
No.
Do you have anything crunchy?
Yes.
Like what?
Nachos.
Oh, well.
But I seen Trevor with those big nachos the other day. I'm like,
Oh, on the vlog?
yes.
Do it in your air fryer. That's what he did.
Yeah, but I don't have none of the stuff to put in it.
You got cheese?
No.
Oh. Sorry to say, you're screwed. No, I'm joking. I said to Trevor, can you get...
I'm just talking to my plants.
I told Trevor, can you get eggs at the gas station? He's like, there's no eggs left. There's no eggs or liquor. I'm like, oh, the gas station sold out of eggs and liquor.
Yeah.
Wow.
I might not get out tomorrow.
Well, I know. That's what I'm saying. You might not make it to Tuesday dinner.
Hey, Grammy, I'm gonna come over to your house no matter what. I don't care what they say. I'll walk over.
Oh, you can get through it probably.
I know. I
You could just roll around and get through it, but Grammy
I
can't.
can walk by myself.
Not now.
I'm not saying
It's too
now.
dark.
I know. I'm not saying now.
I
Mwah.
miss you guys.
We miss
No,
you.
next time it says we're going to have furries, I'm coming away to your house.
Yeah, next time they say there's no snowstorm, we're going to think that there is.
I'm just claiming all I can see is sourdough. Sourdough, even though I'm not a big fan of
Do you like sourdough?
No, it's okay.
I think you don't like it because you were trying my early loaves.
I don't like the sour taste.
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah, but you can get rid of that.
How? Peanut
What?
butter?
Peanut butter? No, not peanut
Ow.
butter.
Can you give us some Lucy Florence?
Do it.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, love.
Vlog. I love. She always calls it a log. I love that. Oh, Mom, I love you. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna leave you here for tonight. You can see we're in a much better position. There's cars going by our road. You can see pavement. Poor Mom literally has not had a plow on her entire street yet. But this is where we're at. But I will be back tomorrow with another video. Bye.
You are the love. I can't show you how to start to find your way. I like the old-fashioned way. Give me that sweet love, those warm up and kisses.